quick unboxing video here of the 4-inch speakers for the front of the Toyota LandCruiser series. These will replace your factory ones and give you a much better speaker system. They fit into the actual factory placement. So in your dash here, you've got 4-inch actual speakers. So you can see these are what we have supplied, high quality, 100 watt peak, 50 watt RMS, 4-inch speakers that will fit into that factory location. They go in down there. A tweeter here that will get mounted in its case up in the corner of your dash. They're very important to have the tweeters up closer to your ears, otherwise you can't actually hear vocals and higher pitched sounds actually easily. The crossover, which gets installed behind this speaker here, pretty much has input coming in, which in the kit there you've got your Toyota plug, so that'll factory plug, and then the wires going to the actual woofer and the ones to the tweeter. That's probably everything in the kit. Fairly straightforward to install, and it's going to give you much better sound on your 4-inch speakers in the front on your actual 70 series. And then you don't have to go around and replace the door pods or anything if you don't want to. So it's a pretty easy way to improve the front speakers and the factory placements on this car.